I was made redundant in 2013 and I was a paid worker in charities. And that was my background, and I wanted to experience what it was like to be a volunteer. So I looked at a lot of different volunteering options and discussed them with a friend till I got the right one, and I got the right one.
I'm a Londoner by birth, and my eldest son got married to a Welsh girl, and we decided we've moved up here because my other children, they'd got married and gone, you see. So I'd say we've been up here about 13 years. It's lovely up here, but being a Londoner, you do miss people, and that is the worst thing. We can't go anywhere unless somebody takes us. So with Rita, the project coming, it is a very godsend for us. I mean, she takes me out and about, and we've got such a lot in common. So it's very lucky having her, and she's great, really. She's quite a bit of fun. We've got a lot in common and all.
Sometimes I'll say to Eileen, where would you like to go? And she'd say, oh, just drive. So it's very spontaneous, really. One of the reasons why I bonded to Eileen was she's a role model to me, if that makes sense. Eileen is old enough to be my mother. She feels like my sister. But even in terms of age goes out the window. From the moment we met and through their matching process, it just came together, and we have a lovely relationship.
Well, it's a lifesaver, really. I mean, at least we can get out occasionally, and it's just nice having somebody to talk to. And it saves me having to listen to him all the time. Shh, that won't talk about that one. No, we're quite happy, really, in our own ways. I mean, it gets so lonely somewhere. And, but I said with Rita and this project, it does help, and it must help a lot of other people. And if that goes,